Okay, meme number one. You have to share the behind the scene.
Behind the scene, this is shot in Mauritius, and Farah Khan was the choreographer. And जब हमको कहा गया था ये पहन के आना है, तो सलमान बहुत खुश था, मैं नहीं इतना खुश था. सो लेकिन मज़ा था. दोनों में हमारे मस्ती बहुत चलती थी. एंड ऑन द कॉन्ट्री, आज ही आई एम गोइंग टू मीट हिम जस्ट नाउ आफ्टर योर प्रोग्राम. I have to go there because I have to go and attend Big Boss.
Oh, okay.
So I'm just going to meet him. And um, और क्या बताऊं?
कुछ funny incident.
So this choreography, I think हमें से ये हम दोनों ने खुद ही बैठ के ऐसे ही कर ली थी. So I hit him with my hip, then he hit me with his chest and this and that. So it was fun, and that's it. अब इससे ज़्यादा क्या बोलूँ मैं?
वापस आप दोनों एक film. Hopefully a two-hero film we get to see you
I
too.
have no idea. I have no idea.
Veer, your memory.
So I've been a huge fan of Akshay sir, and this is one of my favorite characters of him. His Wicked Sunny, and we were once on set. I think we were done shooting, और ये picture TV पे आ रही थी. So sir was telling us anecdotes of the scenes and how they shot it and all that. And sir, would you like to share how many days you shot this film in, because it's so iconic?
So I shot this film in 32 days. So this was we shot it, and it was yeah, including songs and all everything. Uh, so this film ऐसा था कि सुबह 7 बजे मैं आ जाता था शूटिंग करने. And I used to shoot by 11 o'clock. Salman used to come, and Salman used to shoot with
11
me.
a.m. or
No, सुबह सुबह.
हाँ.
हाँ, तो सुबह मैं आ जाता 7 बजे, वो 11 बजे आ जाता. Then we both used to shoot together, combined shoot. दो combined scenes होते थे. पहले मैं अपना सोलो करता था, फिर उसके बाद 3 बजे मैं चला जाता था. But he used to continue in the evening. He used to shoot his solo scenes till 10 o'clock. So we shot from morning 7 to 10. And David Dhawan was the director. So that is why this film took 32 days and we finished the film very fast. And it was a very, very good film. Yeah.
Yeah, one of the biggest hits when it released. Skyforce is, of course, based on a true incident. So now, when you are doing a film based on real incident, what are the challenges of playing those characters? Akshay, so you have done multiple films which are based on true incidents, and you are being launched in a film which is based on a true incident. So, क्या responsibilities आते हैं when you do such films?
You have to be true to your character. You have to be portray it in your way. You cannot portray the way the character must be. But yes, some way or the other, you have a little bit of, I would say, 20-30% of the person's essence, what the person can be. But like, जो मेरा character है, I have never met the person, and I didn't ever see him. Like, I have just seen a photograph, and then you have to start visualizing that the person must be like that, and then you try getting into the character and skin of it, and that's how that's another struggle. Yeah.
And Veer,
आई थिंक एक बहुत बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी थी कि एक 1965 के वॉर हीरो का रोल हमें प्ले करने का मौका मिला. और लाइक सर सेड, वी हैव वेरी लिटिल रिटन अबाउट द 65 वॉर इन बुक्स, इंटरनेट आर्काइव्स एट्सेट्रा. तो वी हैव टू क्रिएट द कैरेक्टर बेस्ड ऑन वॉट इज रिटन अबाउट हिम. बट येस, जैसे सर हैड सेड, एंड आई बिलीव्ड इट द मोमेंट आई वो द यूनिफॉर्म, एक शक्ति आ जाती है अपने अंदर. So that does 50% of the job. And you start sitting straight, your body language gets better, all those things come. Also, like, it's a true story. So all these things were very, very critical in getting correct. And you know, the family of the war heroes, because they don't the war heroes aren't alive anymore, but in this world anymore. But the families are, and they've blessed us. They are very happy with the film, and they are very, very proud that we have shown them in the best way possible and immortalize their legacy. So I think that is the biggest validation for all of us, and the biggest you know, the boost and the confidence before the release of our film. So very grateful for that.
We have taken a lot of memes from your films.
कहाँ दिखाने वाले?
स्क्रीन है, वो स्क्रीन आएगी ऊपर से.
वो
वो भी है.
पिंक विला ने स्क्रीन भी लाया.
हाँ सर.
वेरी गुड. 5 कैमरा, 1 स्क्रीन और साथ में प्रोजेक्टर.
माइक भी.
माइक भी.
साउंड.
4 माइक. ओके, ठीक है, लेट्स गो.
So I'll show the memes.
Okay.
You will share the behind the scenes story of that particular sequence, and Veer, you can share your memory with that film.
Okay.
वो load हो तब तक I'll ask you
Okay.
मेरा सवाल. This is a question for your analytical mind. Where do you think are we as an industry going wrong? Because the success ratio, I'm not saying Hindi, I'm saying Indian film industry, because the success ratio has seen a dip in the last 5 years post pandemic world. आपके हिसाब से कहाँ गलत जा रहे हैं?
Because people like to they become, see, मतलब कईयों को मिलता हूँ, वो उनको ये रह जाता है कि OTT में देख लेंगे. So that is the biggest reason. That is what the whole thing is. And let's not beat around the bush. It is the fact. The things have changed after that. Because after COVID, people got used to going into the OTT platforms and watching things. So it's one of the habit which has been taken.
Taken. Okay. And so, you know, this year looks spectacular for you. You have so many films in diverse genres. How excited are you for 2025?
I'm very excited. I'm very excited for this film. I'm excited for my forthcoming films. I have different kind of genre coming. And I just hope and crossing my fingers and waiting for the 70% of luck to take place, and the people should go and watch the film. That's it.
I'm rooting for your successor because you deserve it more than anyone else, and I'm
Ooh,
sure
thank you very
2025
much.
is going
Thank
to
you.
be
Thank you.
your year.
To watch the full video, click here. पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करें.